Toyota CHR 2017.
Please press the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for all the notifications regarding my upcoming videos.
The Toyota CHR 2017 comes with the latest Prius hybrid system, combining a 1.8-liter petrol, 16-valve 4-cylinder with electric motor. CHR 2017 comes with 120 horsepower which generates 5,200 revolutions per minute. CHR 2017 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 10.9 seconds. Toyota CHR 2017. Top speed is 106 miles per hour.